Hi lovely people, have you deleted your file accidentally? This video is here to show you how you can recover all your deleted files back onto your phone. For example, these are my files and I deleted them accidentally, or I intentionally deleted them and I want them back. Now all the videos are gone and I don't know where to find it. So to recover it, you go to my files app, open it, you go to analyze storage, you scroll down, under recycle bin you will see all the files you deleted over here. So let's open the gallery. You will see all the files we deleted over here. So we select all the files we want to restore or want to recover. Then we come down here and tap on restore. And now the recycle bin is empty. So let's go back and check if our files have been restored. Now you can see all the files are back here. So this is how you recover or you restore your deleted files from your phone back onto your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video as well. And whatever comment that you have, please leave it at the comment section below. Thanks for watching once again. Until we meet again. Bye bye.